Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to enable auto login to the user in Oracle Linux 8 operating system using command line. So let me go to settings. So here for this user you can see automatic login is not enabled. So what I am going to do, I am going to enable automatic login in command line. So go to /etc GDM. Okay, so here you can see custom.conf configuration file is there. So we are going to open this in terminal. So make sure you are logging as a root user. Only root user can touch that file. So I open the custom.conf. You can see automatic login enable equal to false is there. So I am going to make it as true. That's it. So in previous video we have shown how to enable automatic login in GUI mode. Now I am showing in command line just by editing the file in /etc/custom./etc/gdm custom.conf. So you can see after reboot, you can see it does not ask me the password. I can able to log in without asking for a without password prompt. I can able to log in. See here, automatic login is enabled now. So this is the way you can enable automatic login in command line in Oracle Linux 8 operating system.